I'm Denise Mackay.
And I'm Mark Brown from the Stockton Lego Yarra Rangers office.
And we're here today to welcome you to 19 Edenmont Rd, Emerald.
It is a beautiful 3-bedroom home, solid brick home. It's resting on 2,154 square metres of the most stunning gardens that you're going to see.
Let's go and have a look.
Thank you for taking the time to have a look at this stunning property. If you have any further questions, please call myself, Mark Brown.
Or me, Denise Mackay.
Or we look forward to seeing you at one of our up and coming open for inspections. Have a great day.